হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ কেলেঙ্কারি নয়, এটা কেলেঙ্কারি নয়, এটা ভুল করছেন। দিস ইজ নট স্ক্যান্ডাল, এটা হচ্ছে ওদের প্ল্যানিং। প্ল্যান বলে দিচ্ছে, অ্যাজ পার প্ল্যান করেছে তৃণমূলকে ভোটটা না করতে দিয়ে বিজেপিকে কি করে হেল্প করা যায়, তৃণমূলের লোকদের অ্যারেস্ট করে রেখে দিয়ে বিজেপিকে কি করে সাহায্য করা যায়। এই যে প্ল্যানগুলো এসপিদের ডাইরেক্ট করা হচ্ছে, ওসিদের গিয়ে সবাইকে তুলে নিয়ে চলে এসো, আমি ইলিগাল ডিটেনশন কেন অ্যালাউ করব, এখানে যেই করুক এফআইআর হবে অ্যান্ড উই উইল টেক অল অ্যাকশন। এবার আমি সুপ্রিম কোর্টে এটা নিয়ে যাব এবং যত দূর যেতে হয় আমি যাব। It is a BJP plan. It is a man-made plan. BJP man-made plan, but it is implemented by Election Commission. That's why my grievances is that Election Commission, we think they must work as impartially. রাজধর্ম পালন করা উচিত। রাজধর্ম পালন না করে যদি সে একটা ধর্ম পালন করে, বিজেপির রায় না হয়, বিজেপির মাউথ পিস হয়, তাহলে তো আমাদের বলতেই হবে। আমরা কত কমপ্লেন দিয়েছি, একটা বিচার হয়নি। আমাদের শোকজ করতে পেরেছে, ওই ক্ষমতা ছিল নরেন্দ্র মোদীকে শোকজ করেছে, কত বাজে বাজে কথা বলে গেছে, হোম সেক্রেটারি কত বাজে বাজে কথা বলেছে, একটাও শোকজ করেছে? চুনো পুটি ওগুলো না খায় না মাথায় দেয়। আমি এ নিয়ে এখন আলোচনা করছি না, যা আলোচনা করার এগুলো আফটার ইলেকশন করবো। Last time also you have seen how the state government and central government, we work together. We never mentioned anything against of the central government, though we face so many things. And this time central government has done nothing, and because of their monumental failure and negligence, and only to capture the Bengal government, the grievances, our grievances is they have neglected the COVID, and now that's why the oxygen is not available, the medicine is not available, the vaccines are not available. Even the vaccines they have sent to the foreign countries instead of giving to their own country. First you give it to the own country, then you give it to the foreign countries. I don't have any problem. So state government, because we are facing the trouble, central government they have no work except the bhashan, except the speech. The state government is the implementing authority. If anything happens, any bad thing happens, any disaster happens, it is the state government they have to take care. It is not the central government. They just give the advice and nothing else. So responsibility lies with the state government and bhashan lies with the central government. That is the problem. Let them stop the bhashan first. Tell them to supply the oxygen, the medicine and the injections immediately, and give vaccine to the people and save the country. That is not they have said. After Bihar election, when there is a Bihar election, that time also they said that after the election we will give vaccine, BJP government comes. And we have already announced in the month of February. So it is too late now. So that means only the BJP, if BJP government is there, only you give the medicine, and the other government you do not give the medicine. Do you think it is proper for the country? And is it constitutionally correct? Absolutely wrong, and it is a violation of the this model of conduct rules. They should have said in their manifesto. Now whatever you are saying, that is absolutely bhuo, dhoka, fake. All are fake and vague, no value. Not giving the medicine to the people, and they are talking too much. We have 20,000 cylinder oxygen with us right now. 15,000 we have, but 5,000 we are purchasing from the different industrial units, and we have instructed all the industrial units that please help us. You have to extend your cooperation to the state government and produce more and give it to the state government. And also we know that SAIL is giving the oxygen to state. It was a system. The SAIL was supplying oxygen for the West Bengal, but this time central government has taken away the SAIL. They said that they will supply the oxygen for UP. Then for Bengal, what is this? Bengal are not the beggars. Why the Bengal will be hungry for the medicine, for the oxygen? Why they will supply our oxygen to other people? Their actual what they are doing, instead of giving the medicine, oxygen and saline or the injection, they are shifting all the facilities, whatever the state is having, for the others. I appeal for all the state government that give medicine to all the state, give free vaccine to all the state, give oxygen to all the state, and wherever you can. That is your headache, because all you control, it is your control, under your control. You have to collect all the medicines, vaccines and oxygen to the state, so that state must survive and the people must survive.